Welcome back, guys. N.R.T here. So I received a box from motor.meter.racing. They specialize in gauges, and sent us a gauge for the Bowens. Lift the box up. So here it is. Just by looking at it, I believe it's too big. They were going to send me a smaller one, but it wasn't in stock. So maybe they'll send me the smaller one when it's back in stock. But see, they got speed, RPM, turn signals, lights. Pretty cool. So here's where the gauge goes, and that's the gauge right there. I mean, I could probably carve all this out, and it'd be extremely tight in there. It would look kind of dumb, to be honest. So, but what I'm going to use this one on is I'm going to use it on the Raptor cart. So we'll still use it. So I'll just put this in the Raptor cart parts, and I'll wait till the smaller one gets in stock. And even that one got the smaller one's still gonna need some grinding, but a lot less. So that's what we'll do. But I'll just use this for the Raptor cart. So I want to say thanks to motor.meter.racing for sending this out. You can join them right there. Information. Made in Taiwan. So, which yeah. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share the video, and there will be a link in the description or comments to this gauge. So go check them out and tell them N.R.T sent you. So we'll put this in the Raptor cart parts and wait till the smaller one's back in stock and they send me that one. But yeah. Alright.